Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw affiliate commissions earned through LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw affiliate commissions earned through LinkedIn, first, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn Partner Program page. Here, you will find an overview of your earnings and commissions. Locate the Payouts section on this page. Click on Request Payout to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then be presented with a summary of your available commissions. Review your earnings to ensure everything looks accurate. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Options may include bank transfer or PayPal, depending on your region. Enter the necessary payment details as prompted. Double-check all the information you have provided. Once confirmed, proceed to submit your payout request. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. Take note of the average processing time for payouts, which may vary. After processing, your funds will be transferred to the selected payment method. Keep an eye on your account for the incoming payment. If you encounter issues, revisit the Help Center for support. You can also contact LinkedIn's customer service for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.